This is 29 Palms and the bridge coming across 29 Palms. The rushing water from the bridge in 29 Palms.
This is what it looked like in the Ruidoso area once again for today. A new flash flood warning issued that makes 37 so far in 2025. The record is 48. That was set last year. And of course, last year is when we had the South Fork and Salt fires, and those left those massive burn scars, which is why we're seeing all this flooding across that area. Also, for New Mexico, 360 flash flood warnings issued so far across the entire state for 2025. Very close, or at least inching closer to that record of 382. And that record of 382 was set in the year of the Hermit's Peak Calf Canyon burn scar in 2022. Of course, that was the biggest fire on record for New Mexico. And of course, the reason we're seeing this massive flooding and all these flash flood warnings is because of the massive burn scars we have. Stay safe out there. Remember, you get your forecast on KOAT 7 and at KOAT.com. Subscribe, follow, like, stay safe. I'll see you on 7.